Welcome to our YouTube video where we explore 3 of the best KWGT widget packs for Android devices. Join us as we dive into the unique features and customization options offered by these widget packs to help you create a personalized and stylish home screen setup. Element KWGT. Element KWGT is a popular widget pack for Android devices that offers a wide range of customizable widgets to enhance the look and functionality of your home screen. With Element KWGT, users can choose from various widget styles, colors, fonts, and designs to create a personalized and unique home screen setup. This widget pack includes weather widgets, clock widgets, battery widgets, and more, allowing users to display important information at a glance. Element KWGT is known for its sleek and modern design, making it a favorite among users who want to customize their home screens with stylish widgets. KWGT. KWGT is a versatile widget pack for Android that provides users with a collection of beautifully designed widgets to customize their home screens. With KWGT, users can choose from a variety of widget styles, including weather widgets, clock widgets, calendar widgets, and more. These widgets are highly customizable, allowing users to adjust colors, fonts, sizes, and other settings to suit their preferences. KWGT is known for its elegant and minimalist design, making it a popular choice for users who prefer a clean and classy look for their home screens. Whether you're looking to add useful information or simply want to enhance the aesthetics of your device. Serenity KWGT. Serenity KWGT is a unique widget pack for Android that focuses on providing users with serene and calming widgets to create a peaceful and harmonious home screen experience. With Serenity KWGT, users can choose from a selection of widgets featuring nature-inspired designs, soothing colors, and tranquil animations. This widget pack includes weather widgets, clock widgets, inspirational quote widgets, and more, all designed to evoke a sense of serenity and relaxation. Whether you're looking to create a zen-like atmosphere on your home screen or simply appreciate a more peaceful design aesthetic. Thank you for watching our video on the top KWGT widget packs for Android. Whether you're looking for a modern and sleek, see you in the next video.